is your Jeremiah 29:11. If you are heading towards a prosperous life, you are guided. Ang sabi, plans to give you hope. The moment that you feel that hope in your life, blessed ka, guided ka. There's a lot of people outside, they don't even feel the hope na, may pag-asa pa kaya ako sa buhay. Pero once na feel mo yung hope, tulad nito, nanonood ka, or maybe you just bump into this video, naka-feel ka na, ay, kaya ko rin kaya yan? Yung hope ko, nandoon, nagkaroon ako ng pag-asa umuli sa buhay. Ibig sabihin, guided ka. And I truly believe that those kinds of feelings, it's a blessing. Blessings come to you into opportunities, into may dumadaan lang sa'yo na, hoy, ito na. Into sometimes, binubulungan ka na ano pa, gawin mo na, maniwala ka naman sa sarili mo. Kailan mo pa hindi paniniwalaan yung sarili mo? Maybe it comes to that feeling of, ito na yun, ito kaya, just grab it, do it, because you'll never know unless you try.